Here is an interesting concept of a state. Here is a simple buttons. When I am clicking on this button, this handle change will run, right? What it's doing, it's using this method, it's changing the value by 1, increasing the value by 1 each time. Let's have a look. It's working fine. Whenever I am clicking, it's increasing the value by 1. Let me print the value before here value, and after increasing value after value. What do you think? What will be the output in this one and in this one? Let me refresh it. When I first click, it's saying value is 0. Here it's updating. Again it's printing value after, and value is still 0. Why it is? But here we can see value has been increased to 1. Why here the value is before and after is 0, still 0, but here its value has increased to 1. Let's increase it by 1 again. Here the value become 2, but it's displaying value is 0, 1 this time. Again I increase, its value become 3, but it's saying value is 2. Why is this? Like, let me reference once again and show this. See, here its value is 0, right? When I first click on, it's running this handle change method. Here it's before increasing the value, here I have printed value. Here it's showing 0, which is completely fine. But here I have increased it to 1. And after increasing, I displayed it once again. But still here, value is 0. Why? Again, when I am increasing, here value is 2, here value is 1. Why? Why is this? Why value is not increasing here? Because, let me tell you, because whenever this when the control is coming here, it's saying that its value has to be increased by 1, but it does not immediately update. It does not update. It finishes this function. Firstly, it finishes this function. After that, once it's finished this function, after that, component re-renders. At the re-render time, this value, this method will be increase the value by 1. So once again, whenever this method occurs, like whenever we are using set value or anything set, it does not immediately change the value. Firstly, it's finish the execution of this method. Then after it re-render the component. At the re-render time, it change the value by 1. That's why here we can see 2 and here we can see 1. So see, now understand once again. Its value is 2. When I will click, its value here, value will be printed 2 because it is 2 right now. Here I said that increase the value by 1, but it will not increase immediately until it finishes this function, execution of this function. So when I when it control comes here, again it's printing value. Till now, what is the value? It does not have changed, so the previous value is 2. After the finishing this execution, this component will re-render, and yet at re-render time this will assign a new value with increased in this variable. That's why we we see the late print here. It is 5 4 1 decreases. We can see using using use effect as well. What use effect do? Use effect runs whenever a dependency change, right? So let me make it this one. Value change. How it will run? So they see till this is 0. I click on this button. See, and now I refreshed it, right? This handle method. Oh, wait a minute. I refreshed it, right? Let me remove this previous one. When I click on this increase button, this handle change will execute. This is the function which will execute. Here I am printing this one. It will print 0. Now here it said that at next re-render it will has to increase the value by 1, but it will not uh, change the value immediately. After that, this will execute. It will again show the value 0. Now this function ends its execution. The component will re-render. When component re-render, this method, it will set the increase the value by 1 and assign to this variable. Since after assigning, this value will be compared. So previous value was 0. Now it has become 1. So it will execute this callback function. Let's see practically. I click this print 0. Again this print 0. Now value changes. It is printing 1. This one. Let me add here as well. Console.log render value. Yes. Now here render value is 0 initially, right? When I increase it, firstly these two values are printing. Once it prints this execution of this function, it will re-render. In re-render, the value increased by 1. After increasing here, this use state will again assign a new value to this variable. After assigning, this statement will print. That's why it's printing 1. Now this use effect will be checked. Is the previous value is equal to the new value? No, it's not. This value has been changed, so it will call this function. So this is how rendering works in React. Let us see another very interesting concept. Let me comment this. Set value plus 1. After this example, your concept will be clear very much more. See, here I have used consecutive 3 times. I have used increase the value 3 times. What do you think? What will be the output? When I click on this button, what will be the value after re-rendering? Let's see. Its value is 1. It's increasing by 1. It's not increasing by 3. Why? As I told you that whenever it encounters this statement, whenever it's execute this method, it does not immediately update the value. It does not immediately update the value. Instead, it's remember that at the next re-render, what it has to return, what it has to set the value using this. Here, at the next re-render, what it has to return the value. So when it's first execute this one, it's take value from here. What is its value? Initially its value is 0. 0 plus 1, 1. So it's remember that I next time I have to return 1. I have to assign 1 in this variable, right? Then this statement execute. It's also take value, right? Then it's this method also take value. Here value is still 0. Remember, this does not have changed the value. It's only remember that what I have to made changes in the next re-render, right? So still this value is 0. 0 plus 1, 1. Again this at this statement, it also take value 0, value here which is 0, and 0 plus 1, 1. Now this statement, this function execution ended. Now React will make a batch, right? It's update the state in batches. Since this 3 variables is updating the same state, it will update only one time, right? It will update only one time. That's why at each time its value is increasing by 1. See, but how we can update it 3 times using this method? We can use functional updation like this. We can take previous value. This method has access to previous value, remember. Now what it's doing, pre plus 1, right? Now it will update the value 3 times, by 3 each times. See, when I click 3, 6, 9, 12, what it's doing, how it's doing, let's see. When it's come to this method, it's taking previous value. What its previous value? Previous value is initially 0, right? Then it's returning 0 plus 1, 1. That 1 will be stored, right? When again this statement will taking previous value. So now previous value has changed internally, not reflected yet. This value is not changes, but internally its value has been changed. So it's taking 1, 1 plus 1, 2. Again here 2, 2 plus 1, 3. This is how React updates states. That's all.